Outstanding Entrepreneurs of 2010. So
Ladies and gentlemen, the President and CEO of Alliance in Motion Global, Dr. Eduardo Ed Cabanto.
I'd like to dedicate this award to our creator, up above, for making us and our company, Alliance in Motion Global, or AIM Global for short, a channel of blessings. This award won't be possible without the support of my ever-loving wife and partner in life, Dr. Connie Cabanto, my equally skilled and handsome partners, Francis Miguel and John Raymond Asperin, my training team, admin and management officers, all the staff, along with the Industry Association, DISA, Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, the 350 millionaires that we have created in 5 years' time, and the 500,000 distributors who simply can come tonight and grace this momentous event. Guys, this award is for all of us. Thank you very much, Entrepreneur Magazine. As we excel and move forward in the future in our different endeavor, we have common features, common goals, common traits. We all are in awe of God's greatness and blessings to us, that we never forget to always give back something to the community. We have passion for excellence, we love our people dearly, and we mean business at the end of the day. May we keep on building more opportunities, more business here and abroad to help hundreds, if not thousands, if not millions of lives of our fellow Filipinos, making our dear country, the Philippines, a country of entrepreneurs. May we be a force for good to help elevate our economy and be part of nation building. May we continue to inspire, motivate, and mentor budding entrepreneurs to always persevere, innovate, and jump in whenever an opportunity strikes in. Who knows? Because of this program, our country will be a first world Philippines, known with more winning Filipino entrepreneurs by heart, knowledge, and passion. God bless us all and have a wonderful evening.
Tonight, we raise our glasses to these men and women who have risen beyond the competition, and to Entrepreneur Philippines for providing its readers the light and the inspiration to lead the life of an entrepreneur. Mabuhay ang negosyanteng Pilipino. Cheers, everyone!
To my friend Dr. Ed, congratulations on being one of the top 10 entrepreneurs in the Philippines by the Entrepreneur Magazine in the Philippines. Well done, my friend.